Hey there, my stampin' friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 80 today. We're going to create with the Delightfully Eclectic DSP. I've got this fun little peacock pattern and we're pairing it with Berry Vanilla. We're going to face the front of our card, so we need a 5.5 by 4 1/4 piece of DSP. Now I'm going to use these critters from the Bird's Eye View stamp set to create my card. First I used a die from Stylish Shaped Dies and decided which 3 birdies to use. Once I had that decided, I stamped them with Pretty Peacock on the Berry Vanilla and then used my circle die to cut them out. Alright, then I used Charming Sentiments. I stamped the 3 sentiments on my Berry Vanilla piece, and then I used the coordinating dies, Sentiment Silhouettes, to die cut those out for the project. So here are all the parts and pieces we're going to use for today, and you know you can get all the details on my mini tutorial subscription. The links are in the details below. To start the project, we're going to fold and crease that card with our bone folder. Next, we're going to face the card, use liquid adhesive, and line up the edges of your DSP with the edges of your card and press. Next, we're going to add our birds, so decide in which order you want to put them down. With liquid adhesive, I put them from right to left, alternating for some fun embellishment. Then we're going to add the die cut sentiments with dimensionals, and I put one with each bird. So there you go. There's our fun little project for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. You can subscribe here to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on anything new I share. If you like what you see, please think about supporting my crafting habit by shopping with me at stampinup.com. Just use my name and find me as a demonstrator, please. If you have any questions, reach out by email, and you can check out my page at www.pumpkinhillstampers.com. All right, that's it for today. Go do some fun stamping.